Hey guys, my name is Purav and in this video I'll show you exactly how to create your first ever digital product in the form of a PDF and make a lot of sales and earn some money. Now before we start, I want to give you a disclaimer because I want you to change the mindset that you're watching this video with, because usually when you look at videos like this where you create a PDF, it's usually like I'll give you a prompt, put it on ChatGPT, get the solution, copy and paste it on a PDF and then sell it and make a lot of sales. And that is not how easy it is. If you're disappointed now, that's good, because I would rather have you disappointed now than going through the entire process of making the digital product, putting in all the time and efforts, and then being disappointed after seeing no sales because you just copied a prompt from ChatGPT and the solution it gave and you just put it in PDF. Anybody can do that. There is no reason for the buyer to prioritize you over your competitors. So in this video, I'll recreate the ultimate 7-day reset, which is my product, and that got a lot of sales and good reviews. And I'll take you to the entire process of how I use ChatGPT and some of my own experience to create a digital product. And this is something that sets you apart from your competitors, because you're not just copy and pasting, you're using your experience, you're making it a tad bit different. And that is what people like. So enough talking, let's get right into the video. So firstly, let's head over to Canva, and here we can come down to templates and here type ebook. So this is going to give you all the ebook templates. Then you can choose any one of this. I have the free version. So wherever you see the crown, that's for the pro version, which I can't buy or access. And you can access it, but it just gives you a watermark, which I don't really like. So you can choose any one from the free versions. So I've chosen one of the templates here. As you can see, it's very minimal design. There are few shapes, there's a title, subtitle and a tag. If you want this exact template, I'll provide it to you. The link is in description. So let's start modifying the template. So here for the title, I'm going to say the ultimate 7-day reset. For the subtitle, I would say something like a roadmap to completely reset your life in 7 days. The tag is going to be my name. So here, as you can see, I've modified the title and the subtitle, and here is the tag. Now, before we move on to the actual content of the product, I want to give the customers a brief view on what the product consists of. So like an index or a table of contents style. So here I have a table of contents. So you can see there's about me and then the 7 days that I want them to go through. And then we have the conclusion and next steps. So coming up with the contents, as you saw, firstly, we have the about me section. This is important because this builds trust and like a personal connection to know who you actually are and why they should actually trust you before continuing with the product. So I'm going to write the about me section. Here you can use ChatGPT or just dumb down all the ideas and all the points you have about yourself. You have to be honest here. The more honest you are, the more you can connect with the buyer and the more likely they are to completely finish the product and leave a good review. So I have filled in the content about myself. You can pause the video and read this. The best way to write this section is to write about yourself and link it with the product. Here for extra details, I've added a profile picture as well. This is completely optional. If you're running a faceless product, you don't really have to do this. I run a personal brand, so I've added a profile picture. Now that we're done with this section, we dive into the actual content, the actual crux of the product. So here you can see I have 7 days for every kind of reset. So this is going to be completely different from what you are going to do because you have a completely different product. So give some time to actually structure your product. Obviously, you can take help of ChatGPT to structure it out. Just do it and put it in the table of contents. You will have much more clarity of what you want to do in your product. Here, for example, I have contents for day 1 and I'll show you how this is different from the rest. So here we have the title. We have phases. Phases are like each step the user has to go through. So we have phase 1. Now here is where I add a bit of authenticity with the science bite. I am a fan of neuroscience and science in general. So I have like a small scientific fact that is related to the phase, and whenever people read scientific facts, they are a lot more likely to actually listen and follow it, and that is why I put it here. Then we have a checklist. So for each day I have a checklist that you have to go through. Now if I click on this, it is going to take me to Notion where I have created the checklist. As you can see, we have 7 checklists for 7 days, and if I click on checklist 1, here you can see the checklist. I have a reset for the desk, for the room, for the visual, all of that stuff, and then we have a final checklist. So this is what I meant by you have to do something different on your own. This is not something that ChatGPT gave me. The contents of the day was written by ChatGPT, but again, I had to modify it. I had to do something of my own. I had to add checklists like this. You can do it as well. It takes more effort than usual, but trust me, it's worth every second, because I've had several reviews where people are like, the checklists were so helpful, and that is what sets your product apart. Then we have the next phases. As you can see, make the bed, rebuild your command center. All of these are generated by ChatGPT. The only thing you have to make sure here is that you have to format it well. ChatGPT isn't going to format it itself. You have to add like a spacing here. And since there's a shape over here, you have to make sure the words don't overlap with the shape. Just basic stuff. And finally, we have reflection time. So basically these are prompts for people to go through and like journal down. So it brings more clarity and depth. This is again something different from what people usually do. And I have a mini challenge for them. So basically I have a community of over 200 people, and I ask them to post their progress on the community so it can inspire others and keep themselves accountable. So it's a fun community. If you want to join, I'll provide the link in the description. And then we have day 2, similar process with all the days. I have the content, I have the checklist, I have a small mini challenges. Now finally we have the conclusion page where I write in bold, congratulations with the emoji, and you have completed the 7-day reset. Then we have an outro. Here I have an upsell to another product. If you don't have another product, if you don't have an upsell, it's completely fine. You can end it here with a great conclusion and say thank you, leave a review, etc. Now the main thing that I want you to focus here is that this is a mixture of AI and my own skills. So here the checklist mainly is what separates other products from me and why the buyer should prioritize me over someone else. This is a 25-page PDF, and this took me 1 week to write the contents of the product and another week to make the checklist and have all of the integration stuff with the community as well. So it's not as easy as copying the solution given by ChatGPT and pasting it in PDF and then selling it. You're not going to make a lot of sales because you'll just be like thousands of other people who are selling the same type of product. In order to set yourself apart, you need to have you need to add a bit of your own recipe into the product. That is what is going to set yourself apart. That is what is going to make you sales. Now, if you want to copy the same template I used, I'll provide it in the description completely for free. And if you want to check out the product itself, I'll put that in the description as well. And that is how you go about designing the product. And if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. If this video helped you in any way, consider subscribing the channel because I make such useful content every single week. Now, if you're confused about what digital product you have to make, what are the top trending products, you can click here and watch this video. I talk about the top 5 digital products in the digital market space. So you can click this video and watch it. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.